So today we did a co-design session with Magnolia High School students in their Cybersecurity Academy pathway, and we just had them do a practice with us where they looked at the designs that we currently have, a prototype for them that is interactive that they were able to click around, and we had them write down on sticky notes a bunch of likes, dislikes, comments, any thoughts they had, any ways that they think they can use the data to talk to their teachers about ways to improve their soft skill development. And we had that all taken down. We put it on bigger post-it notes to cluster it, and we're going to take all that data and look at it later and be able to have that influence the way that the design will be developed in actual production and the way that it will be used by the rest of the students in the AUHSD school district.
The tool is going to give students feedback on the 5 C's, on reflections they write, and kind of like help them, I think give them like a better understanding of kind of how they're doing in soft skills. And it's synthesizing information from like multiple reflections to ultimately give students information that's going to help them be more effective learners. And I think for us as teachers, inform our teaching practices better.
Today, some researchers from DAPLAB and some various teachers from AUHSD visited our classroom and presented their new website.
Today in my classroom, we're looking at the website and we're giving feedback so they can improve on it.
We're testing out the new program that they're using to help you organize your reflections.
I think with our lab, we're really focusing on working with the community and working with these future intended users and getting their input on it, and like so they can work on and contribute to these designs and show more about what they think about it and get their feedback. So we have like we build really good empathy with them, and we really can create a product that they can use and hopefully serve its purpose better.
I think this is important to help them better develop the website, getting feedbacks from students, which ultimately students are the people who are going to be using the website, so getting feedback directly from users, like it's going to be helpful developing it.
So that way when we actually use it, we created something that everybody likes.
That's important, so when we use it and it goes live, it's something that we like to use and it's going to be helpful to us in the future.
This is critical to what we do because as a district, we're committed to the 5 C's, and we say that, hey, these are what employers and jobs, what they want, right? So if we don't capture that, if we don't measure that, how can we continue to grow and help our students grow in these skills? So today is just a great day of capturing it, but figuring out how to measure it and display it so we can have continuous learning.
I think it's important work because the feedback that we can get on how our students are doing in real time through like AI tools is going to empower us to make, sort of in the moment decisions and changes as we're planning teaching, and also can give students feedback that will help them in their learning process as they're like working on projects or like learning concepts, things like that.
We're called the Design and Partnership Lab. This is the partnership part. It's only so much for designers to come in and understand what the project is and what it needs to do, but it's another thing to really empathize with the users who are using it and take in feedback, not just from the teachers, but from the students as well, because we want to give them an interface that not only where they can view their data, but it motivates them to really produce good reflections for their teachers to be able to talk to them about it and understand where they're at and help them, but also for the students to see how they are improving on these soft skills and understand where their strengths with those soft skills are at. So it's important for us because we want to create a good product for them, but it's really important for them to get good quality data that is actionable for them to implement in their lives.